Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, power door locks, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.